Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can add users to favorite on Kik Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Kik Messenger app on your phone. The next thing you want to do is you can just go ahead and go to live. After you go to live, you will see some of the people, and then what you need to do is select the people who you want to add to the live or your favorite. So wait for a while and you can see that you can view the live over here. So let's go ahead and view the live. I'm joining this stream over here of this person, and if I want to add this person as my favorite, I can do that as well. So you can see sometimes errors occur and you cannot join the live. You can join any other live streams, and you can see the star icon on the top corner. If you want to add them as favorites, you can just go ahead and go to their profile as well, and you can see that you have now added this user to the favorite. If you want to remove it, you can do that as well. You can now see that I have removed this user from my favorites. And let's suppose I want to add this user to the favorite. I'll just go ahead and click on his or her profile. After I do so, you can see the favorite star icon on the top left hand corner of this. Go ahead and tap on this profile and you can easily add the person or user to your favorites. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.